Today's video is about this trailing pothos. I cut this on my hanging plant and then I will cut it by leaves with roots and noots, and we propagate it by water because this pothos will grow and water. Oh, look at this. Yan, we cut here and then there. So, the remaining roots, the area roots and the noots. Oh, look at this. And then you will put here in a mug of water. So, this one will grow in water and have a root for 30 days. You can see a new root. Okay? Yan. If you like it, please thumbs up, like and share, and please subscribe. Thank you and God bless.